Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 5-C7, Inlet Steam Pipe Connection for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 5-C7, Inlet Steam Pipe Connection. So let's go to File, New, Part MMGS, 5-C7, Inlet Steam Pipe Connection. Okay, so let's go to front plane. It's going to be, let's do a line across here, construction line. That's horizontal, beautiful. Okay, we're going to do another spindle one. And this time there's circular at the end though, so that's good. So we're going to start off here. It's going to be... where are we? Go straight through. It's going to be about there, going about there, cross. Oops, that should be straight over. Cross, down, cross, down, and those two join together. And that one should be horizontal. Oop, that one should be vertical. There we go. And might just join those two up there. Not makes a big difference. So we've got, let's start with here first. So from there to there will be 12. Let me drag you out. So from the 12, actually, before we do, let me go this way. There we go. So from this one to that one will be 19. That one to that one will be 22. Oh, sorry. That should be 19, not 29. 19, there we go. And then that will be 32. From there to there, 32. Beautiful. Okay, so this one here. Oh, no, don't want that anymore. Oh, that one. There we go. It'll be 5. 13. 12. That's it. Looks different. Oh, no, I think it's right. Yeah, it looks right. I think it's just because it's got a lot more like the inner lines and that makes it look chunkier. Okay, so that should be good. Okay, so everything's in locked in, so that's good. Let's go feature, extrude, boss, revolve. We want that. Actually, correct line. Cool. There it is. Cool. Worked out good. Now we want to go. There's no thread on this, is there? No, it's not. Okay. So let's go top this one, normal to sketch. So we want to go, let's go construction line. Let's go straight there and straight down. Delete that one. Thank you. Let's go and connect there. And that one's going to connect there. There we go. Now that's going to be 26 long. So if we go 26, 26. Yeah, if we go find the center of that one. that one will be and where's the center of this one? What there? What the heck? Well, I guess that's it. Okay, that works. That works. So now we go line, put one there, one there, one there, and one there. It's got a dimension of 3 mil. 3 mil. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Highlight those ones. They're all going to be equal. There we go. And that's going to be zapped through. So we want feature, extrude cut, through all, and done. There we go. So that's them done. That looks good. Yeah, that looks how it is. Yeah. Good, 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 good. Now we want thread through there. So a hole wizard thread. That's M3, if I'm correct. It is M3. So we want 3. No, that's 30. M3 by 0.5. That's all we got. Okay. So from there all the way through, that works. Cut. Ooh. Nope, that's not what we want. That's terrible. That's not what we want. Let me do that one. We want up to selection. So if I do that one, actually, you know what? I'm going to change that around. I'm going to edit. I'm going to clear you out. Clear you out. That one, I'm going to go from this side up to selection. That way that's flushed there. This way it sticks out, but then I can put a piece on there and just come off later. I don't think you can do more than one hole. Or, if I do you, what happens? Clear. Okay. Let me try that again. Thread. And grab you. We're going to grab you. Not you. You. Go and grab you. Come on. You. This goes through to see what happens. Okay. Let me clear you out. Cut thread. Oh, yeah, hold on. Clear you out. Put you there. Come on. Hey, you got to click a couple times. Extrude. Cut. Okay, yep. Let me clear you out. Oh, I think I changed that. There we go. Yeah, they can't do the base one. Okay, let's do the hole wizard. One more hole wizard thread. That one there. Do that one there. Okay. Street. Come on. There we go. So now if we go to sketch. Actually, let me just go to sketch for a minute. Let me go to normal. Sketch. Box. Through cut. Make sure it goes the other way. Okay. There you go. That just trimmed up all those edges there. So you still got the thread there. I just took out the excess thread there. Just think of that as when you're doing metal work, you have some offcuts, and you just need to trim it. That works for me. That works for me. Okay, let me actually try and get rid of shadows. Some way you can turn that shadow off. I can't remember how. It was shown when I learned the software years ago. I just can't remember how now. Alright, that's part 5-C7 Inlet Steam Pipe Connection done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. I do appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of March. It'll be awesome if I can. Thanks again for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.